Hey, what's up guys? So today we are going to see how we can easily rebind animations in Unity. So as you can see here, I have two cubes and here is the structure of the actual cube. So we have a root parent and then inside of it we have two cubes and then one sphere, and it's the same thing here. We have a root parent and then a chest, a child one, and a magic ball, which is basically the same structure, just that I renamed different child. And as if we look at this, we have an animation component here with the test animation clip, and this is what is playing here. And let's say we wanted to also add this animation to this one with the same exact object structure but with different names. We would obviously want to just have the animation here and then drag and drop the clip here and expect it to work. But unfortunately, as you will see in a bit, this is not how the animation works in Unity. This is because the actual names of the child is quite important if you're using the animation from here. As you can see here, it just says missing everything, but if I select this one, it just is good. So let's see how we can easily fix it. So the first thing that we would need is an asset that I've made, which is called RebindAnimator Lite. I have a link in the description below. It's a free asset that helps you do just this. So go ahead and open in Unity and add to your assets. And once it's imported, we can go into Tools and Rebind Animator. We'll have this small window that we can dock wherever we want. And in order to use this, what we could do is we drag and drop the target clip here in the animation clip, and then we drag and drop the target object that we want to rebind it to. So what it will do is, if we click use template and then we click on Rebind Animator, as you can see, it creates a secondary animation clip. And if I were to take this one and instead of using the test one, I use a test rebound, if we inspect the elements, as you can see here, everything stays the same. And if I were to hit play, as you can see, it got rebinded. As you can see here, both now plays. And this is quite useful because, as you can see here, it's quite easy and fast to just rebind animation. And so something very important with this is that the object structure should still remain the same. So if you've got the nested prefab, then all of the nested children should remain the same. The only thing that it helps you is with the different naming schemes. So for instance, if you've downloaded 10 different character models, but all of them have the same basic component layout, alright, so each one has their own head, limb and hands, let's say, and legs and chest, then you could just use this to just rebind your animation, existing animation, to the new models that we have. But do keep in mind that it should still be nested in the same way here. I am actually working on a new model for it that could help you with the different object structure that we can have. So yeah, so keep looking at it in the future for new updates. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe if not already, and don't forget to check out the asset as well as the other assets that I have. On this note, I'll see you guys next one. Bye.